Hello friends, welcome to your YouTube channel Byte Boost. I hope you people are doing great, and in this session we are going to cover about the formulas. And before to this we have also covered home and insert options. If you have not watched all those videos, the link is given above. You can check out those video. And before to start this session, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe so that whenever we will upload the video, you will get the notification. So without any delay, let's jump into the topic. Now, as you can see here, we do have this table over here, and here we will use VLOOKUP formula. So VLOOKUP formula, why we use VLOOKUP formula? So for an example, if you have a one value, that value you would like to check in the table and you would like to get answers from the different column. So for that reason we use the VLOOKUP formula. So for example, the VLOOKUP formula is like the reference. Let's say I'm taking this reference H2, and here the employee code. From here, the first to this, I'm selecting the table. This would be my table array. Now, so as you can see here, we do have the employee code. So from this employee code, you would like to get the answers from the department, from the which department that person is. So simply you have to give comma as, and again you have to this column index. Now when we are talking about the column index, so in the VLOOKUP, whenever you are taking the reference, you have to count the column number from that reference. For here in this example, the field ID will be our column number 1, then full name will be 2, job title will be 3, and department will be 4. Now example, we put the column index number 4 and we want exact match. So example, this match here, and now I'm closing the bracket. So for an example, it is showing NA. The reason is we don't have any value in H2. For an example, if I'll take here, if I'll do the validation, and to give the validation, simply you have to go to the data, and here as you can see this function data validation, and here I'll click on data validation. Now instead of any value I'll choose, and the source here I'll select this employee ID. So simple, I'll get this drop down here. So once you will click here any employee ID, so boom, you can see the E02832, he is from the department IT. So simply if you would like to check, so you can check here. So now as you can see here in this column, he is from the IT. So I hope this VLOOKUP formula is very much clear to you. So again, so as we say, VLOOKUP cannot look the back. For an example, previous column he will not able to check. So let me give you the example. So here let me put this one in this column. So now as you can see NA, now I don't have any option to look back or look in the previous column. For an example, if I'll take employee ID here and I just want to get the employee's name, I'll not able to do so. So how we are going to do this? So for example, this here, I simply, if I'll try to take this entire table, as you can see in this formula, it's selected B3 to E2 E21. So E21 is this is our table. Now the problem with us with VLOOKUP is simply you cannot look back. So simply we do have some options to do this, but before to get into that topic, before I'll get into that function, I just want you people to subscribe and follow our channel so that we will get our motivation to make more video like this. So in the next video, I am going to tell you how you can use a VLOOKUP to look back. So simple, we do have some functions or some formulas we will include in the VLOOKUP, and we can get the values from the previous column. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any doubt, any queries, so simply you can write on comment section or reach us out on our official mail ID. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day.